Hi everyone, Karain Arby here with Broken Ground. I'm here in my kitchen garden. It's October, so the garden is waning, but I still have a huge forest of kale here, a bunch of tomatoes in the greenhouse. And I just want to take this opportunity to invite you to participate in my free online class that's going to take place on October 21st at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And I'm going to be talking about bringing your dream homestead to life. Yes, it's the fall, and you may be kind of over the growing season and wondering why we're going to jump into a class about designing and planning. But in fact, the fall and the winter are great times to plan your garden and your homestead. So that's why I'm taking this opportunity to give you a little bit of a jump start in your planning process. So with the pandemic, with these uncertain and very challenging times, I've felt the urgency now more than ever to encourage more and more people to grow their own food and to become more self-reliant. I think it's one of the best, most positive things that we can do to cultivate our resilience and to really contribute to creating the community that we want to see moving forward. So I hope you'll join me for the workshop. It'll just be about an hour long. It's going to be live, interactive, and I'd love to see you there.